Right, here's a basic rundown on how to install the 316mm Gen 4 GTB brakes on a 2001. So this is the 2001 wheel, factory 17-inch rim. I'm not too sure what its measurements are. That's the factory brake on the 2001. That's the dog. So over on this side, I've got the Gen 4 brake installed. That's the 316mm caliper, rotor, sorry. That's the larger caliper. Brake discs are in place. Yeah, it's all pretty straightforward. It all bolts on, all bolts off, it all bangs right into place, and this wheel fits over the top. So pretty straightforward. You've got the 2 bolts holding it on the back there. Those were 17mm. You've got the brake line there, which I believe that was either 12 or 14mm. Yeah, you just undo those 3 bolts. The caliper slides off. I'm lucky that my rotor just fell off as well, which is good. I didn't need to boot it or use the removal tool. Yeah, this one just slid on, and that slid on as well. Now, these calipers can be tricky to put back on just because you've got to feed the bolts through the hole on the hub and then into the caliper. Easiest thing to do is grab a long screwdriver, stick it in the hole, the mounting hole for the bottom, kind of jiggle it like so you can like pry it up to lever this up into place. Feed the first bolt through up the top, then once that's in, basically just kind of jiggle it around until you get the second bolt in and then tighten it up. Happy days.